So you've picked out a digital notebook and now you're ready to make some changes to it. And we're going to start with fonts, sizes, and colors. You're going to make changes to your fonts in the master, and you might be wondering, where the heck is the master? I didn't really know. I've just learned about it last week, and I really can't remember. It's in one of these tabs. Let's see. Oh, it's in the View tab. So you go to View, and then it's going to show you the master. So the master is kind of a layer of slides that are kind of below what you see when you open up your digital notebook. To change your fonts, what you're going to do is you are going to click on this top slide, and then you're going to come over here and you're actually going to click one time in this box, and it just highlighted all of that text. And then up here you can see that the font that is currently being used is something called Roboto something, and the size is 37. I personally don't like Roboto something, and I would rather use I don't even know how to say this, Comforta. Okay, and you can see that it's a little bit too big for this space. So I'm just going to click on the minus until it fits in that space. There we go. And then I also would like to change this font right here, which is, they have Handley. And I'm going to click on the first level. And then I'm going to hold the Shift key down, and I'm going to click on the 9th level. And now you can see that everything is highlighted in between. And I would like to use Montserrat. And I think I want it to be a little bit bigger than what I can see on there. So I'm going to hit the plus key a couple of times. Now I'm going to take a look at the title slide, because sometimes people put in different fonts on the title slide. So I just want to click here. And oh, great. I can see my comfort font is right here. And then I work with language learners, and this cursive style font might be a little difficult for some kids. So I would like to change that to Covered by Your Grace. And that's actually kind of a small font. So I'm going to hit the plus just a few times to kind of fill in that space. There we go. And then now when I go back to my slides that are not in the master, everything should be changed. So there's my comfort font. Here's my Covered by Grace font. And then when I look here, let's see, my comfort font, and then my Montserrat font. And so that's how you change your fonts.